How to turn on auto download recommended maps on Google Maps. Hello guys, all what you have to do is go to maps. Now this is the home page. Go to the top corner and click on your profile picture. Now click on offline maps option here. Now go to the top corner and click on this gear icon, and here you will find auto download recommended maps option, and click here and it's turned on successfully. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.